From 2014 to today, watch how my art has evolved.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
What started as simple doodles on paper turned into an 11-year journey of creativity, mindfulness, and intricate designs. From my earliest Zentangle tiles in 2014 to the detailed patterns of today, this video is a look back at how my art has evolved. Stick around, you might even get inspired to create your own. Back in 2014, my designs were simple, just me experimenting with basic strokes. But over the years, I started pushing my creativity, layering techniques, and making my tiles more detailed and personal. One of the things I love about Zentangle is how meditative it is. Over time, I started experimenting with color. Then I started adding even more details and layers. Watch my journey unfold and see how even a little tangling each week can make a difference. Whether you're just starting or picking it up again, Zentangle can fit into your life too, one stroke at a time. Each year, I tried something new, different strokes, patterns, and shading. Looking back at my Zentangle journey from 2014 to 2020, there was definitely a shift, especially after 2015. That's when life got a little busier. Okay, a lot busier. My twins were born, and between family life and a full-time job, finding time to tangle became a challenge. But no matter how chaotic things got, I always tried to fit in at least one tile a week. Zentangle became my little pocket of calm in the middle of everything, a way to slow down, breathe, and create, even if it was just for a few minutes. So while I wasn't as prolific during those years, every tile I made felt like a tiny victory. And now, looking back at this journey, I can see how Zentangle has been there for me through it all. Some of my favorite pieces are the ones where I completely lose track of time, just letting each stroke flow into the next. There's something really meditative about getting lost in the process and seeing how it all comes together. Question for you. Do you prefer structured grid-based tangles or free-flowing organic tangles? Share your answers in the comments below. Looking back at all these tiles, I realize how much Zentangle has taught me. Not just about art, but about patience, creativity, and trusting the process. If you've ever thought about trying Zentangle yourself, I highly recommend it. And hey, let me know in the comments which tile was your favorite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little journey, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos, as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing to new audiences. Don't forget to try out my crystal ball tangle pattern picker to help you with the next pattern to draw.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.